Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical on shaft design. This question was asked in GATE 2016 for 2 marks in set 3. The question is, two circular shafts made of same material, one solid and one hollow. Let us say while reading given data, while reading the question we will write the given data. There are two shafts, one is solid and other is hollow, right? Now let for both shaft, they are made with same material. It is given that both shafts are made of same material. Same material means shear modulus will be same. For both shafts shear modulus will be same. Here G, here will be G, right? Then one solid and one hollow have the same length and polar moment of inertia. Now for both shaft, length is same as well as polar moment of inertia. J is same. For both, J is same. Both are subjected to same torque. Again, torque acting on the both is same. Torque acting on both shaft is same. Where theta s is twist and tau s is maximum shear stress in solid shaft. Now theta s is angle of twist and tau s is shear stress in solid shaft. Then theta h is twist and tau h is maximum shear stress in hollow shaft. Therefore, theta h is angle of twist in hollow shaft and tau h is maximum shear stress in hollow shaft. Right. One is solid having diameter, let us say d, having diameter, let us say d, and other is hollow. Other is hollow having inside diameter di and outside diameter do. Outside diameter do. Right. Now, which one of the following is true? Now they are asking what is relation between theta s, theta h and tau s, tau h. In 4 options they are asking relation between theta s, theta h and tau s and tau h. Now let us find this relation. Here I am deleting the question. Now what is the torsional equation? Use the torsional equation, that is T by J is equal to tau by R is equal to G theta by L. This is a torsional equation. Therefore theta we will get, equate first equation with last equation. Then theta we will get TL upon GJ, right? Now here torque is same, length is also same. See, torque is same, length is also same, G is also same, and J is also same. J is also same. Therefore we can say as torque, length, G, J for both shaft is same, therefore theta will be same, that is theta of solid shaft is equal to theta of hollow shaft. This is the first relation. Now go for second relation. They are asking what is maximum shear stress relation. Therefore, the maximum shear stress, we have derived these formulas. We have that is, let us go from the basics here only. Right. Therefore, T by J is equal to tau by R. This is the relation. Therefore, shear stress is equal to T by J into R. Right. For maximum shear stress, for tau maximum in hollow shaft, solid shaft, sorry, is equal to T by J into R is nothing but diameter divided by 2. Solid shaft diameter is capital D, right? And for maximum shear stress in hollow shaft, it is T by J into maximum radius, that is DO by 2. That is DO by 2, right? Now here in these equations, T by J is same for both, but we have to check relation between D and DO. Now J is same. J is nothing but, for solid shaft J is pi by 32 capital D power 4, and for hollow shaft J is pi by 32 do power 4 minus di power 4. Therefore they are saying J for, that is polar moment of inertia for solid shaft is equal to polar moment of inertia for hollow shaft. Therefore we can say pi by 32 d power 4, that is diameter of solid shaft is d, is equal to pi by 32 outside diameter of hollow shaft minus inside diameter of hollow shaft power 4, right? Therefore pi by 34, pi by 34 will get cancelled. Therefore from this we can say d power 4 is equal to do power 4 minus di power 4. Therefore we can say do power 4 is equal to d power 4 minus di power 4, sorry, d power 4 plus di power 4. This side di power 4 will get added. Therefore we can say definitely to find do we are adding something in d. Definitely from this relation, outside diameter of hollow shaft is more than diameter of solid shaft. Definitely 100%. Therefore go back to the relations. Go back to the relations. Here we have derived the relation that outside diameter of hollow shaft is more than diameter of solid shaft. Therefore tau h, which is nothing but some constant into do by 2, and tau s is nothing but same constant c into d by 2. As do is more than d, therefore shear stress in hollow shaft will be more than shear stress in solid shaft. This will be your second relation. Now look at the options. If I look at the options, then option D will be your correct choice. Option D will be your correct choice. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on shaft design.